What happens if you press a mysterious glowing button at midnight? Meet Rocky, a curious little raccoon who just can't stop exploring. Every night while the world sleeps, Rocky goes on little adventures. But tonight, something strange caught his eye. Ooh, what is that? A glowing button right in the middle of the yard. It looked important, maybe even dangerous. What if it's a trap? Rocky felt a tiny shiver of fear, but then he thought, what if it's something amazing? Rocky had two choices: walk away or be brave. Curiosity was louder than fear. Okay, just one tiny press. 3, 2, 1. Click! Pshh! Water sprayed everywhere. Rocky ran, slipped, and splashed all around the yard. Oh no, I didn't expect that. But then Rocky started to laugh. That wasn't scary at all. It was actually fun. Sometimes the things we fear are just full of surprises. And that night, Rocky didn't just press a button. He pressed his fear away.